So a buddy of mine told me this idea where you train crows to seek out shiny coins for you. And I made my own today. At least I started to. There's a piece of plexiglass pinched right here. And that goes through and over to this doohickey. Really not that good a light. So there's a slight gap, and some of them may actually sneak through as I fill this thing up. Oh, not too bad. The idea is, once I get the top of this thing going, let's see, what's the best way to do this? Let's go on this side. Quarter. You see, it came out, and they get spit out over yonder. Nice. One more for good measure.